Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I am your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen as always. My mother is over here. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Today we're going to do a recipe. We're doing a bunch of summer salads over the next couple videos because we're rolling into summer and this is now the time you start doing your picnics, things like that. So perfect time to learn some of these summer salads. This one her and I have never done before, but we both like dill pickles and it's a dill pickle salad. So we're going to get, got this from Lavanda Strayway. Hope I get your name right. Found, she's got a bunch of her recipes. She's got a Facebook page. And come to find out, she is in the same town that my cousin Audrey lives in. So Audrey, if you know Lavanda, this is her recipe. It starts with 1/2 pound of the dry shells pasta. So I got a 1 pound bag. We're going to do 1/2 pound of that. I got the water starts to boil. And get this done, get it drained, and we'll be back for the second part of that, and I'm going to start setting up for the rest of it. So I'll be back in a few minutes once the shells are cooked al dente. So the noodles are boiled al dente, which they still got a good chew to them. Had them rinsed under cold water, stopped cooking. Now you're going to take a 1/2 cup of pickle juice, pour into the noodles, give it a stir, and you're going to let this set for about 5 minutes. Let the noodles pick up some of that pickle flavor, or the pasta I should say. While that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing. It calls for 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, and this is a Duke's household when it comes to mayonnaise. Use whatever kind you want, but for us it's Duke's. Well, for me it's Duke's. I got my mom turned on to it. She's a Miracle Whip kind of girl, but we're going to use regular mayonnaise for this.
I use it too a lot, but
Yeah, but I'm the one that kind of turned you on to it. You just get the store brand.
depending on what you're making.
Yeah. Now I did find that, believe it or not, Aldi's Berman brand mayo is not bad. It kind of is like Duke's. Not quite as good as Duke's, but it's kind of good. So in a pinch, or if you just want to save some money for making a huge batch of stuff for people, I would say the Aldi's Berman brand would work. But this is only 2/3 cup, so we use the good stuff. Alright, there's 2/3 cups of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream, I'm just going to go ahead and use the same spatula, get as much off there as I can.
Should I freeze that?
No, I'm taking that home. And 1/3 cup of the sour cream. To that is going to be 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So it's a 1/4 teaspoon measure. Do about half of that. Maybe a little more for us. 4 teaspoons of pickle juice. 4 teaspoons is 1/4 cup, so I'm just going to use the 1/4 cup measure. And I'm sorry, 4 tablespoons, not 4 teaspoons, 4 tablespoons of pickle juice. My math was not working in my head and I knew it. All right.
Do you know what you're doing?
No, I've never made this before.
Okay.
Do you know what I'm doing?
No.
Ever?
No.
No, didn't think so. All right, to get, oops. Set that aside, get the whisk here, mix this up. Now this has got to sit for a few more minutes yet. So we're going to come back when this is all mixed and that's been set for 5 minutes. After this is set for 5 minutes, then you're going to go ahead and pour off that pickle juice. I'm just going to give it another stir so I can get what was on top down to the bottom so it has a chance to soak. So we'll be back in a few moments. Alright, so recap on the pasta. Boiled al dente, run under cold water after you rinse it, drain it and rinse it under cold water so it stops cooking. Let it soak in 1/2 cup of pickle juice for 5 minutes and that is now drained off. To assemble, you're going to add, there's 3/4 cups of diced dill pickle. I've just got the little small gherkins. I got them, I guess twice the thickness of a normal salad chip, a salad sandwich slice pickle. So about 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little more. I have 3 tablespoons of diced onion. I've got 2/3 cup of cheddar cheese that I just cut into small little chunks. And I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. So that is going to get into the bowl. And then that sauce that I made. I did not say it, but you want to salt and pepper this to taste, so I salt and peppered it off camera. It took more than I thought to do it. I was heavy on the pepper grinds, but it still took more than I thought. But I do like mine a little more peppery. And you get that mixed in there. And I did taste the sauce. It definitely has a dill flavor to it. And that's mixed. What comes next, Ma?
Taste test.
Wrong. Next, we need to let it sit in our fridge for an hour.
Oh no.
I do want to let these flavors meld together a little bit because they're just by themselves, just put in. They're going to take a little bit to marry. I would say this salad could probably be made 12 hours, even 24 hours in advance. But that actually, I can't really tip the bowl up without dumping it over, but that looks pretty good. Nice color in there from the dill and the pickles, and you probably even put some peas in there if you wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for 1 hour, and we'll come back and give it a taste. Alright, this has chilled for about an hour. We're not going to eat a whole lot because we've already eaten lunch, so this is no point making a whole bowl out of it right now because I'm not that hungry. But I do definitely want to taste it. I stirred it because it was a little bit dry on top. So when you see it, it was already stirred, so it looked wet, and I licked the spoon, so I already know what it tastes like. Go ahead, Ma. Give me a piece of pickle in mine. Cheese.
That's not bad.
If you don't like dill, you're not gonna like.
dill.
Yeah, but if you don't, you're not gonna like this. I think peas would be a good addition to this. Just add some more volume to it, but this is really good. I like dill. I have not. Well, I don't do what dill pickles. We made dill pickles last year, refrigerator dills, and I ate the heck out of those. I can be hit or miss with dill pickles, and this is just a Walmart brand. I didn't get the good stuff, so you can use maybe a little better dill pickle. It might even be better, or use your own dill pickles and your own dill pickle juice. That's definitely edible.
I didn't get a pickle yet.
I could definitely see this on a plate with well, no hot dogs, but a hamburger or a brat maybe. I'm not a big hot dog fan. But yeah, that's definitely a summer salad. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this one. Give it a thumbs up down below. No, not down below. Down below, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have any more summer salad recipes, please share them with me. We want to try some more. We've got a couple over here on the side we just looked through to go. But I want to do a bunch of these. We're gearing up for summer. It's 90 degrees outside today, so a lot of these cold salads is what I'm looking for my sides for what I eat for dinner and lunch and all that. So I'm going to be eating a lot of cold salads, the summer salad. So more recipes, please. And again, yes, I hope you have a great day and check out another one of the videos.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.